Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that don't really understand and realize all the options that are available to them for failing and missing teeth nowadays. And with all the technology and what we have available to us, we can offer multiple different solutions for that. That includes taking the teeth out and just doing the conventional dentures, which is kind of outdated a little bit. But the new things is including, replacing missing teeth with implants and, having the implant dentures that snap in, but also the most ideal option is actually being able to screw in those implants and screw in the restoration or denture into implants that are in for a lifetime. Here at Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center, we meet a lot of different patients that have already seen some specialists or other folks that place dental implants. And a lot of times it involves different types of cost structures. And the cost structures that are used and tactics to get people in the door a lot of times are not the final price. And so we like to be transparent here at Magnolia Falls up front with you pricing, and then you're never going to be called back 3 to 4 months later and be told that you owe more because of something else. And so we're very upfront from the very get-go about what our pricing structure is going to be, and we're never going to change that price for you later on. So if you have failed or missing teeth and you have loss of function, give us a call so we can get you back on track to that healthy, beautiful smile you've always wanted.